Heat the oil in a medium-sized frying pan and brown the onion, as I do. Once the onion has browned, add your lamb and cook until slightly golden. Once your lamb is a little bit golden, you can then add your CAPE Malay curry, dry cooking sauce, and stir like I do. Then add water, 400 milliliters of cold water. You stir, then add your tomato paste and mix well, guys. Yes, then add your carrots, your julienne carrots in there, then add your cubed potatoes. Then you continue to simmer for 20 minutes. Stir occasionally, guys. Then I added my paper, my green paper, because I like green paper. I then garnish with the coriander. Thank you guys for watching. That's my finished product in there, my CAPE Malay curry. It was very tasty, so please like and subscribe.